We're going to add fractions now. So if I added a quarter to a quarter, the answer would be 2 quarters. And we can visualise that by having a look and thinking, yeah, there's our 2 quarters. And we know that that would simplify to a half. So notice that what we do is simply add the numerators when the denominators are the same. The challenge emerges though when we have something like this. Now because the denominators are different, I've got to create one that is common to both of them. So the question I've got to ask myself is, first of all, can I use one of my existing denominators? In other words, can I turn a half into a quarter? We've always got to go that way because you can't turn a quarter, of course, into a half because it's smaller than a half. So the answer is yes, we can actually use a quarter. So we can use the denominator as 4. We don't have to change anything there. We know if we're to turn a half into quarters, if I multiply that by 2, I've got to do the same to the top. So a half we know is 2 quarters, and now we can add it together. Okay, let's have a think about another example. Let's think now about a fifth and 2/3. Now my first question is, can I use one of these denominators? And the answer this time is no, I can't. I can't turn thirds into fifths. So my suggestion is that if we multiply these both together, we get 15. So we can actually turn both these fractions now into 15ths. So here I multiply by 3, I do the same to the top. So a fifth is the same as 3/15. We've actually created what we call an equivalent fraction. Here, if I multiply that by 5, I do the same to the top, and the answer is 10. So now we can, because the denominators are the same, we can add the numerators. So the answer is 13/15, and that's it.